So are you in the market to buy a house, but you think, well, the first step is I'll go out and go through some open houses and hopefully find an agent that's a good match for me because I'll be able to talk to them face to face and get a good feel for their personality. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to find an agent that will be a good fit for you at an open house. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the Greater Sacramento Area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with the Gold Group Realty. And I would love to have the opportunity to help you buy or sell your home in the Greater Sacramento Area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Well, you're out touring open houses on a Sunday afternoon and you come into the house and the agent says, "Hi, welcome to the open house. Take a look around the house. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you like it, I'm happy to help you write an offer." Well, we can all do that, and that's helpful, but what if you had an agent that when you walked in the house, they said, "Hi, welcome to my open house. Are you familiar with this community? Has anyone ever sat down with you and reviewed the different neighborhoods in this city? Do you know exactly where to go out to lunch after you're through with your open house tour today? Do you know where the different parks are in case you want to take the kids out to go sit at the park or take your picnic lunch to the park? Do you know the different recreation areas to go to in this city? Has anyone ever sat down with you and had a buyer's consultation yet? If that's what you're looking for in an agent, then I'm your girl. I'm going to take the time to share with you what I know about that community, review the different neighborhoods, see exactly what you're looking for, and especially make an appointment to meet with you to have a buyer's consultation because I want to know exactly what you're looking for and I want to know what your deal breakers are and what you absolutely can't live without. So if you're looking for an agent in the Greater Sacramento area that'll be attentive to you, then I would be happy to meet with you. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And if this video has been helpful for you, then please give me the thumbs up so I know that you like it. And until then, I will see you around town.